Today I am looking forward to discussing the most challenging topic in the college admission series, choosing the right subject for your career. You can achieve this with the help of IKIGAI, and there are 4 important criteria to consider for this. What the world needs, what you can get paid for, what you are good at, and what you love. In the past, people used to give importance to what the world needs and what you can get paid for. In simple terms, the demand and supply and how to pay your bills. Now, times have changed. There are numerous opportunities available. You can now choose a career path that you love and you are good at. To understand this better, let us see what you would miss if you neglect one of these criteria. If you neglect what the world needs, then you will feel the sense of uselessness. If you neglect what you get paid for, then you won't earn the wealth. If you neglect what you are good at, then you will experience uncertainty. And if you neglect what you love, you will feel emptiness. The challenge for the high school students is that they often lack time to thoroughly analyze all possible career paths. So, do consult with your parents, counselors, and seniors for choosing your career path. The next question we have is, should you be a specialist or a generalist? The world is changing rapidly. Few years ago, no one was talking about ChatGPT, and I am certain that something new will emerge in next few years. Then, why do you want to be a specialist now, and above that, your interests could change in next few years? Universities recognize that it is premature to decide on major now and often allows you to choose or change your major after enrolling in undergraduate program. That being said, for now we have 5 major streams for you. You just need to select one of them. STEM, medical science, business and economics, law, justice and politics, and liberal art. Once you have selected one of these 5 majors, I encourage you to stick on to your choice, as every subject or field requires approximately 1000 hours of learning just to meet the basic expectation. Then more and more time you invest in the subject, you will excel in it. Now moving on to the next slide, let's take a look what are the different types of college decision. And there are 4 different types of college decision. They are early decision, early action, regular admission, and rolling admission. Let me put a disclaimer here. Every college is little different in terms of their process. So please do check the specific detail in the university website. Now, talking about early decision. It is the best option if you have a dream school. Early decision is binding, so you need to accept if offered and withdraw all other applications. As schools are looking for committed students, you have a better odds to get into your dream school. Now talking about early action, if you are not decided between few schools, then this non-binding option would be a good choice. On regular admission, you have more time to turn in the application. But remember, universities will find it difficult to find the needle in the haystack. Rolling admission. In this option, universities will offer the decision on rolling basis. The time pressure is not there and you can turn in the application as it goes. Today I have discussed a complicated topic. So if you have any follow-up questions or thoughts, then please do leave the message in the comment box. Also, if you like my videos, then please do like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.